Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So many of you have cleared the cognitive and technical assessment and coding round of Accenture. So firstly congratulations. And next round will be your communication assessment. So I am getting few mails and many of you are asking in comments about the communication assessment. So I took the common questions from you and I am making this video so you can clear your doubts. And still if you have any questions you can mention in the comments or mail me, or you can join in the Telegram channel and ask there. Anything is fine. So in this video let's discuss about Accenture communication assessment, frequently asked questions and some tips. So yesterday some of you have completed your coding round and many of you are asking when will be my communication assessment. So in our case, while we wrote this Accenture exam, so we got within next 2 days. So communication assessment was within the 2 days after the coding round. And also I heard that some of you have this communication assessment tomorrow. So I think it was same, it was like within 2 days you will be having your communication test, or else maximum you can wait for 1 week. And if you didn't clear that coding round, I think you will get a WhatsApp message like they can't proceed with your candidature, something like that. Some of you have got that, I think. So don't worry guys, keep trying other companies also. And those who cleared coding question, practice well for your communication round. It will be in next 2 days, so do check your mails. And then where to take this test, so select the very quiet room for this test. So it should be like pin drop silence. So as I already mentioned in the previous video, many of my friends faced difficulties here. So even a small sound couldn't start the test. So even the fan sound also didn't start the test. So make sure you are in a very quiet room, and if possible ask the people around you to not disturb until the test completes. And what to use while taking the test, whether you have to use wired earphones or Bluetooth. So many of you are asking that question. So I would strongly recommend to use wired headset. So if some of me may have that wired headset, so I would recommend to use that wired headset. So it's better if you have noise cancellation headset with you. So in case if you don't have it or you can't buy it now, you can use the wired earphones. So me and my friends used earphones only. So use good earphones, that too like capturing the audio clearly, and you are able to hear the audio clearly through them. So if you don't have them, so please go and buy them and don't take it lightly. So if possible, some of you may have that noise cancellation headset something, or any other wire headsets. So if possible, if you have them, you can use them in your test. So I would recommend not to use Bluetooth guys. So Bluetooth is not recommended. So because you may have connectivity issues and there may be lag issues or latency issues. So don't use Bluetooth, use only wired earphones. In case if your Bluetooth also got disconnected, means you will be in difficulty. So take care about it. And coming to the next question, so most of the people are asking this question, whether this communication round is elimination round or not. So firstly guys, delete this question from your mind, whether it is elimination round or not. Give your 100% best. So mostly it is not an elimination round. So in our batch it was not an elimination round, but we can't say that company may change it anytime. And also officially it didn't say like it is not an elimination round or anything. So it depends on them. So you can't take it lightly now. And at our time, based on our overall performance, we are given roles like ASC and advanced ASC things. So we gave our 100% best in every round. So you too don't think that this will not be elimination round, because there is huge competition now. So many of them are getting rejections. So I would recommend you to prepare well and write this test, and don't fear about the elimination round. Maximum it will be not an elimination round. But anyway, give your 100% best. And then what kind of questions will be there in the communication assessment? So I made a clear video on this topic, on this question. I will give the link in comments. So please go and watch that video. In that video I covered what are all the sections involved, and what are the types of questions they will be asking, whether it will be audio or you will see the question. So all those things are discussed in that video, and I also gave sample example for each of the section. So if you have any doubts regarding this, what kind of questions and how many sections are there, please go and watch that video. And also you can see that in that video you will be like, in this exam there will be mostly audio questions only. So except one round, all other things you will be here in audio format. So make sure you are comfortable with listening skills. So if you have 2 days time to practice, so practice more on listening. Listen to the English accent and try to speak out it, try to repeat it. So because you will be hearing only the audio, like English accent, mostly the American accent, so prepare well for that. You can search in YouTube or Google for example formats. So and then while listening, try to repeat the same. So that will be a good practice. And refer to the examples that are given in the video, and then like create your examples, like listening to some accents and then repeating them, and making yourself comfortable with pronunciations, and then getting to know the vocabulary, all the things. And then next question will be, you are asking like, are the sentences too long so that we can't able to catch them properly? No guys, the sentences are not too long. So this will be like testing your basic English ability skills, so they are not too long. So I would say that you don't need to much worry about this round. So I think you can easily pass this round. You can catch these audio sentences easily. There will be like medium level, not too long. So what I will be saying is, if you have time, practice them. You guys completed a major part of the recruitment, that is cognitive and technical assessment and coding assessment. So I will say that this will be an easy round, so don't worry much about this round. So if you have 1 or 2 days time, practice well for this round. Still, if you have any questions guys, please do ask in the comments, or you can mail me, mail ID given in description, or you can also ask in the Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel. I will post the off-campus updates or any job updates or internships or any kind of discussions there. So all the best guys, all the best for your communication assessment test, and thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel.